How to get rid of acne scars. Heal acne scars on face, remove post-acne marks, pimple marks, dark spots, black spots at home. There are many best acne scar removal cream in market, but all the face cream for acne scars may not be suitable for every skin type. So the best way to heal acne scars is natural home remedies. We have shared some simplest remedies to reduce acne scars on face in our previous video, but now we are going to share face masks for better result. But my suggestion is to do acne medication before applying those best acne spot treatment. You might have used so many acne remedies or acne cream, but the results does not come. So, you can visit my channel for best natural acne treatments. Firstly, those acne makes red marks on skin and gradually it becomes dark severe acne scars day by day, which is very difficult to remove. There are many best cream for acne scars in the market which may or may not suit your skin, but this homemade face mask will help you to get rid of acne marks properly. The best acne scar removal products will surely be natural ingredients. These kitchen ingredients will clear acne scars 100% permanently from your face naturally with time. If you want to have a flawless complexion and smooth skin, then before applying pimple marks removal cream and ointments, try natural remedies. You might already have the face scar removal ingredients right in your kitchen. Lemon juice, aloe vera, turmeric and honey are much safer than prescription products to get rid of acne scar and can be used on a long term. Loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, they heal your skin and promote cell repair to get rid of dark acne scars. Lemon's antibacterial and astringent properties clear up acne, makes it a pimple scar removal remedy. Rich in vitamin C, it promotes collagen synthesis and regenerates your skin. Having vitamin E, aloe vera nourishes and protects against oxidative stress. Now if you want to know how to get rid of old acne scars naturally, this antibacterial and antiseptic turmeric destroys pathogens and prevents skin infections, also regulates sebum production which reduce acne breakouts and minimize acne scars. Honey has natural antibacterial agent to heal acne, reduces the appearance of scars. Its moisturizing properties makes skin smooth and gives the best answer on how to get rid of red acne scars on face fast at home. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.